In this video, I'm going to show you how to go about earning or mining on NodesPay. So all you simply have to do is pay simple attention. If you get the logic I'm about to explain in this video, you also understand how to mine gradient network, and some other network that copied grass airdrop. A lot of you, I'm sure you understand grass airdrop and you know what grass airdrop is. So I might also be making a video to show you or explain to you how to go about the season 2 earnings on grass airdrop. But for this video, just pay full attention, and if you understand, you should also know how to go about the others, even though I'm going to be making a video on it. The first and most important thing you want to do is head into your Play Store or App Store and download Mrs. Browser. Very important. Normally, this airdrop is solely for those that have laptop, system, or computer. That is where the airdrop will function properly. If you use it in your normal browser like Chrome, it won't work. So Mrs. is now a special browser that has extensions, so you can use it just as what you do on your laptop or system. So go to your Play Store or App Store, download Mrs. Browser. Then the second thing you do is to pick this link. Look at the registration link here on my Telegram channel. I'm going to drop a link in the description box of this video that you're watching right now. So open up the description box and pick this registration link from my Telegram channel. Then you open up your Mrs. Browser, paste it in, and do your registration. Registration is very easy, so I'll not be showing that here. All you basically have to do is provide your email address, your password, your username, and that is all. Then you get registered and you get to this page that I am currently on. Then we pick it from here. The first thing to do on this page is to look below this claim button. You claim that 100 NodePay token. So you click on that claim, you get this prompt and you complete. So that is the first thing you want to do first of all. Then the second thing, which is the main thing, is now the connection of the extension. So you can see this is on my screen here, and currently you're seeing that it is not connected. They're telling me to connect. So that is what I'm going to show you how to do. When you look at the top of your screen, you see this text, activate NodePay, whatever. All you simply do is click here. So you click on that page to go to the extension page. And if you did everything correctly, it will take you directly to this page. And you simply have to wait for this section to load up. And look at the top of your screen, the right hand side, you can see this add to Chrome. You click on it and then you wait for it to load out. So accept all these prompts and let me zoom it in. So you can see this is what is going on there. You allow it to load. Now it is added to my Chrome already and the page is loading automatically. Once that is done, it will take you back to this your NodesPay page. You can see this is the page it will take you to. And all you simply have to do now is to open up the extension you just added. So click on this icon. Look at that little MetaMask icon. Don't mind, any icon can be there. You might not see this MetaMask, something else might be there. The reason why it is there is because that is the first extension I added on this my browser. So you can see from this list here, you now select your NodePay extension, which we have initially added on that page. And here, all you simply have to do is click on this activate button to activate the extension. So all this thing is pretty simple, easy, and straightforward as long as you follow the steps. Once you click to activate it, that is all. Now you can now click on this open dashboard to go back to that your NodePay page, or you paste in the link again, that link that you copied from my Telegram channel, you paste it in, or you can simply go back. Any method works. So it will take you back to this page, and this is basically it. After refreshing, this is how the new page now looks like. Now, when I zoom in, you can see this is my season earnings, and you can see that is the 100 that I claim immediately I come to this page. Remember, that is the first thing we did. And if you see here, you can see this connected, and it is showing my network quality, which is 81%. It means that is done. Now, all you simply have to now do is to make sure you check into this app at least 2, 3, 4 times in a day, depending on the amount you can come in, and make sure that that place is always showing connected. Whenever it shows disconnected, you click to connect it. And how this works is the more you browse, the more your internet or your data is turned on and you browse, do some other things, the more you earn. Another way to now earn on it is by referral. So it is pretty easy, straightforward, and this one is not stressful. It does not stressful require any special task like what Telegram airdrops is doing to us. And like I said, this is the same method Grass airdrop used. It's also the same method Gradient Network is using and also some other projects that I'm going to be releasing to you, especially for those of you that are on my Telegram channel. Now, another thing you want to do is make sure you complete this daily treasure something. You can see it's showing some minutes now left to one. That is because the timer refreshed every 1 o'clock at night. So that is basically it. Complete this other task. Look at this Discord task here where they ask you to connect your Discord and all of those. So make sure you complete it. I opened up my Discord right now, but I discovered that my Discord is not logged in on this my Mrs. browser. So I am probably going to log it in later on and complete that task. But it is something simple as long as you have a Discord account. So once you've completed that, you check the page. Maybe they might also drop some other task like following them on their X handle, which is even good for you so that you can get information from them directly when they release them. So that's just basic thing. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Turn on the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload a new video. And with the link in the description box of this video, join my Telegram channel for more updates like this.